Alright guys, so here's part 2 of the how to start an engine. This is the easy one. This has the choke similar to an 1107. I don't believe that's what it is because this is a 36cc Rovan engine. It may be 1107 on there, I don't know, but anyhow, with a choke, this is how you do it. You got the radio on. Let's turn the car on. Alright, car's on. Got the light on there. Make sure the kill switch is working. Got this little transponder right there. Alright, so we go over to this side. Choke on. In the down position. Choke is on. Alright. Come back over here to this side. Purge valve. Make sure you got fuel flowing through the lines, which we do. Alright. Now, do a couple slow pulls. Oh, and that pop. We got a pop. So now we take the choke off and put it in the up position. Alright. Now, we should start. Alright, kill switch works. Got it back on. And make sure it starts again because this is a brand new engine right here, brand new car. Let's turn this off.
Signal lost.
this little Fly Sky Noble thing is crazy, man. It's got all kind of little
Signal lost.
talkings to you and all that good stuff, man. That's what's up. Let me turn this thing off. Oh, there it is.
Shutting down.
Pretty cool. Alright guys, so like I said, man, this is real simple for anything with a choke on it. You just do it just like that. Shouldn't have any problems. Alright? So, it's your boy Lance, man, over at Crucial RC. I will holler at you guys on the next one. Hopefully you'll see this at Wagner Park soon. Alright, man. Out.